Out near Apache Junction, Arizona is a fun hike that will lead you to a beautiful spot with ancient rock art made by the people who lived in this area well before Columbus discovered the New World. This is the Hieroglyphic Trail. The Hieroglyphic Trail is 3 miles out and back with a total of 574 feet of elevation gain. All Trails classifies this route as moderately challenging. It takes most about an hour and a half to complete. I enjoyed some of the large saguaro in this area. They are always so majestic and each one is unique. The main draw at this trail are the rock etchings made by the hands of a culture known as the Hohokam over 1,500 years ago. Want to see the full virtual hike? Then head over to our YouTube channel, the Cactus Atlas, for more. And please subscribe.